Right, well, thank you very much, everybody, for making it to this afternoon's Silver Command status meeting. We will be running through the latest situation reports on the flooding with our professional partners in a moment. But before we do, we have another issue which we're going to have to deal with as a priority. Jane.
Thank you, Bob. Right. Our livestock monitoring team were reviewing the data coming in from Cirencester Cattle Market yesterday. Where the cattle are coming from, where they're going to. Normally it's all pretty routine, but yesterday our AI algorithm spotted that one lot of heifers was at high risk of salmonella infection. Those heifers are now on Sevenside Farm, which, as the name suggests, is on the banks of the River Severn. Clearly, we all know that the Severn is currently under a red severe flood warning.
If the land floods, and if the heifers are infected, this infection could spread rapidly to other farms. Could be a perfect storm. Pete, have you got something?
Yeah, I've just checked out the farm. It is known to us. Apparently there was a bund that needed attention after last year's flood. It was deemed unnecessary to fix the bund at Sevenside Farm immediately, so they installed strain gauges to monitor it.
Can we access the data?
Better than that, it looks like the gauges are internet enabled, so we should be able to check its status remotely. Okay, so I've made a couple of calls and we now have access to the strain gauges, but it's not good news. They've been monitoring them pretty closely since they've been showing high loads as the waters have risen. This morning they went critical, so that means text and email alerts to the general public. If you ask me, it doesn't look like the bund will survive the current ground waters.
Why do we always get bad news? Jane, where have you got to with the flood modelling?
We've modelled a scenario where the bund collapses. Projections are showing that there would be 142,550 cattle with severe risk of infection.
Everyone? I need ideas.
I think we need to prioritise finding out the quantities of vaccines available at local veterinarians.
Good.
But the information currently resides in a number of disparate systems.
If we can get a call out to our delivery team, we could work out how quickly we can gather that information. I mean, we might even be able to work out how many cattle have been vaccinated.
John, Anne, with Jane on the vets. Pete, let's make that call.
Okay.
Will the Defra Group be able to contain this perfect storm? Find out in the next episode.